There we go. You know what I go. Above that hourly EQ now. You know, quite the aggressive bullish movement here. There we go. A lot of energy. Mimir, what is up? What is up? Good morning, morning, morning. Morning. How we doing? Good morning, Mir. Good morning, Killa. You're so close to 1,000, dude. We are getting close. We are getting freaking close, Obi. I know, it's pretty exciting stuff. Was not anticipating it, but we're honestly growing pretty quick here. I'm very excited. You know why was I go? How we doing though? Obi and Mimir, how are we doing today? Looks like crude here below this hourly EQ. We're gonna get an expansion down to this C2 low here on crude, so that actually might not be a bad idea. You know Your mic is a little low today. How about this? Is this a little better or no? Let me know if this is a little better. Crude here, working out on these shorts. Jeepers. See what gold is up to as well. Nasdaq here retesting this hourly EQ. Looks like we're now about to get above this fair value gap once again. We'll see what happens here. La 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 la. Hey, Track Sales, what's up? Good morning. Morning. Quite the aggressive movement here. Also retesting this fair value gap within this we have this 4-hour fair value gap I've marked here in this on my chart currently. Gonna remove that and just toss this in as well. So here we have a nice 4-hour or a nice 5 minutes fair value as well that we're retesting, currently rejected back below. Your mic is low. Interesting. Let me see why that is. Sorry about that, guys. Oh. Let me just test the volume. Gain. Let me know if this is better, guys. Is this better in terms of audio or no? What about this? Testing. All right, that's removing it. We need to go up, 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 up. All right, that should be good now. Let me know. Is that better, guys? Track, I'm gonna be doing, I do, this is just a separate free YouTube one, but I'm gonna do some premiums later in the week. Yeah, it's better. Yeah, that's cool. It's cool. Yep, sweet. Olivia, what's up? Audio sounds good. Great. Top of the morning from Atlanta, Chattanooga 70.3 cancel swim due to current. I did not do, but looking Augusta in September. Sweet. Dude, good stuff, DT. Whenever you stream, whenever you live stream. All right, it should be better now. Seems like we're on the right path. Good morning, Quicksilver, since you raised. That's funny. I like that. That's funny. Quicksilver, that's a unique one. Bias today. So I was looking at bias. Bias for me today was, honestly, we'll see. I mean, originally from last night, that 4 hour, I had a bearish bias going in, retesting this Tuesday low, which is exactly what we did. And we're now back above that Tuesday low. So closure above this 2 o'clock high, I think we see an expansion back into these highs here, 21,457. If not, we do have this 4 hour imbalance. We have this 4 hour fair value that we're currently in the midst of retesting right now. So I would want to see if we reject off this encroachment and print a bearish signature lower once again for a PO3 expansion. So we'll see what happens. Crude is actually not bad. Below this EQ on crude, and we're having an expansion lower into the C2. Noted. Yes, sir. Yeah, NQ looking like we're about to get above this fair value gap here on the 5-minute time frame. I think we're going to see an expansion higher here, at least sweep these highs, the 7 o'clock high noted in red here. So let's see what happens. Just want to play patient right now. I did miss the original entry that I had, or that I wanted here, so that's all right. But on to the next. This 6 o'clock swing here would have been great. 6 o'clock long would have been wonderful, but that happens. That happens. La 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 la. Wow, it looks like the recent Instagram post popped off. 5K views on that, John. Jeez Louise. 83.4% non-followers. We'll take that any day, guys. We will take that any day. It looks like we're getting above this fair value now. See what happens. Did you enter it? No. No. Said I'm not giving entries on the YouTube live stream off. Yeah, we probably do have that breaker. You know I go. See, it just makes it simple, guys. Just makes it simple. Yeah, we do have this 5-minute breaker. This is a nice entry, actually. You're right about that 3-minute and 5-minute entry here. Someone, what is up? Welcome to the stream. Got a couple places of interest. For long or short, are you in longs? For long or short, I took ES, targeting EQ, truly daily open. Yeah, I am currently in longs, yes. Subloud, don't trade EU and GU. Alright, sounds good, Million Block. I won't. For short or long, long. Can you add a little higher voice? Where are your stops? Below that breaker. Below that breaker. Yo. For some odd reason, my lay alerts and premium don't always go off. That's weird. I wonder why. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I am in these longs. Correct. We have that 3-minute and this 5-minute breaker. I'm most interested in this 5-minute breaker right now on ES and NQ. You know why. Great call there. Thanks, Zink. Appreciate you, boss. Gotta get off my magnet tool here, get this breaker below, and we're targeting a 2R on this. Bang. Bang, 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 baby. Yeah, great call there. Thank you, Zinc. Appreciate you. Appreciate you, sir. Yeah, I just added my position tool here. Stop. Thanks for doing that for me, Tyree. I appreciate it. Layla Long. Hell to hell I am. Yeah, I am. I am long currently. Yeah, so wanting to see London highs get swept here on NQ. London highs are going to be a nice first area for some potential trims around 1.8R. If we break above these London highs, we are anticipating 2R2 hit on this. So this looks whack. Is that just me or does that look whack? We are missing candle bodies. Which entry time frame is higher win rate for you? 5 minute is a higher win rate for me, baby. 5 minutes has always been good. Now we will see what happens. I feel like I had to restart my chart. It looks whack. We're missing some candles. Crude shorts are now below actually that candle too low, that previous candle too low. So we had a nice retrace. If we just follow general trend, we have a lower high, lower low, lower high. Now we're forming a lower low here. C4 shorts looking good on CL2 if price isn't 410. Good morning, Pedro. What's up? Good morning. Yeah, exactly. Are you in this trade? I'm not in CL, but I am in these longs here on ES. Into these London highs, targeting 2R is the ideal situation here. This is the ideal setup here. Mark that out as our London highs. Right, we got a good setup formed here. This is looking nice for us. Oh, is my keyboard loud? My bad, boss. Hey, Mark Hill, good morning. How we doing? Pedro, good morning. How we doing? Once I saw this, I knew you would be in. You guessed right. You guessed right, boss man. You indeed guessed right. Looks like this is working in our favor here beautifully. Oops, let's get ES open here, eh? When C2 sweeps low, C1 and crits a unicorn, then it's an A plus high probability setup. Yep, exactly. That is one of the highest probability setups. And it kind of utilizes, I mean, we swept this previous hourly low as well, created a reversal signature. We also had a 3-minute change in state of delivery. So this, in my eyes, is a beautiful trade. This is honestly A plus. Exactly, Tyree. This is like the unicorn and fractal, because I mean, unicorn is literally just fractal adding a breaker block from more confluence, and it works like a charm. See how ES reacts here to gold. Not interested in anything on gold. Let's look at how NQ is. NQ is probably pulling higher here. Yep, NQ into those London highs already from, if I believe. Yes, we are completely above those London highs now. Created a new high there with New York as well. Asia now going to get retested on that Wednesday. Why longs in ES instead of NASDAQ? ES is the lagging asset. So you always want to trade of a correlating pair, you want to trade the lagging asset. NASDAQ here showcased a lot more bullish strength and also broke above that London high. ES hasn't done that. We can anticipate now that ES with that SMT as well is going to reach that London high. So I prefer this. You know why let's go. Why your stop loss so tight? Just below the breaker. I don't know. There's no reason to risk more. I'm not using a change in state of delivery on the 5-minute here, so I'd prefer to just use that breaker entry. How do you utilize your stops? Below the layer of confluence that I'm using as my entry signature. We are getting close here. This is about to be first 20 minutes on stream. We're about to hit a fucking banger trade, baby. Let's go. Give me my money. Dude, Alex from the lab. How to utilize your stops? I'm in longs and Nasdaq targeting the EQ off daily candle. Don't tell me that. You're chilling, Marcos. You're chilling, Marcos. Looks like we're just about to hit our 2R here. We just want a closure above this London high. We're just sweeping some liquidity at that London high, but I'm still in high anticipation of this 2R hitting. If I wanted to right now, I could move these stops to break even, but I'm just going to stay with the full stop right now. I took a partial at that London high. NASDAQ as well, showcasing a pretty aggressive bearish movement off of these previous high sweeps as well at around 21,372. Yeah, and Origins, absolutely. It's a much higher probability within 8 to 12 candles. Absolutely. Absolutely. That's a great analysis because that is the case. You know Now, for some fun stuff, let's see how Nvidia is doing, eh? Let's see if we formed a fractal on Nvidia. Swept that previous hourly low. Swept this previous hourly low, created a C2 low. Oh, candle 4 actually, candle 4 expansion. Ooh, baby. Longs on Nvidia were clean this morning. Damn, totally missed that entry. That's okay. That's okay, guys, right? Not the end of the world. Tesla, chop fest, get the fuck out of here. Absolutely not. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Give it to me, baby. Give it to me, baby. Nvidia CEO's counting paper today. Oh, yeah. Prices stopped me out with 540 instead of 1,000. Damn. Face cam Wenleo. Origins. I'm actually planning on it pretty soon. I'm planning on it pretty soon here. Face cam, we need it. Yeah, guys. I don't think you want to see this sexy, though. I don't think anybody wants to see this sexy, eh? It's dangerous, guys. Does anybody in chat, except 2 guys that I know who know me, know what I look like? If you guys have been on my trading Instagram, you probably have seen a picture of me. I think I've posted a couple. But for the most part, have any of you seen or no? Nah? Oh, shit. So I'm just an anonymous figure to Mir. Nope. Shit. Damn, guys, that's even more nerve-wracking now, eh? Oh, baby's seen it. All right. 2R's about to hit here. 2R's about to hit. No, guys, hit up the trading Insta. You'll see. Leo liquidity on Insta. You'll see it, baby. You'll see it. You'll see it. You'll see it. You look like Sir Pickle. Banger trade 750 banked. There we go, baby. London high getting tapped once again here. Anticipating 2R. I don't know if they look alike, Origins. Nah. I don't know. Dude, we're fucking banking today, though. Holy shit, right off the top of the stream. I'm up 22.94 on the day. Bro, it was on NQ. Ah, I got you. Nice. Did you take this, you take Unicorn though for that? Come on, baby, give it to me, give it to me. Hell yeah, just nice shorts on that 0.5 rejection, looking for a close over 50 to go long. Hell yeah, Zinc, good work. Dude, I'm up, currently I took a partial off that London high. I'm up 22.94 right now if I close. That'll make me up 6,868 in 2 days. Yesterday was a huge day for me, guys. Bitcoin looking strong, nice. Yeah, I've not been paying attention to Bitcoin, to be so frank with you. Sadly, I missed it because I'm focusing on Forever model at the moment rather than live market data. Yeah, I mean, Forever's a great model. Sniper killed that. Forever's a fantastic model. Sweeping off that London high once again. Moving that stop to BE. If I get stopped, I get stopped, you know. Stop losses moved at break even. If it doesn't hit, thanks to about a print of 1 point. Good stuff, Zinc. Hell yeah. Why did you enter on ES? Because it looks like the weakest one. It was the lagging asset. Yeah, NASDAQ had a very aggressive push. NASDAQ is still gapped here. Look at this. This is so weird. My chart's glitching. Damn, these Nvidia longs were perfect right off the rip. This 5-minute bullish closure about this change in state of delivery created a beautiful confirmation higher into these longs. You know I wanna go. Would this be a good short entry? Mir, I'm going to ask you that. Would this be a good short entry? And if so, why? Why do you think that would be a good short entry? If I get stopped at BE, so be it, you know? Already trimmed half the position at those London highs, so I'm anticipating a move into that 2R here. But London high aggressively, we've had a pretty aggressive rejection off of London high here. Equal highs versus SMT, yes, rejection 50 FEG. Hey, then that follows the system. Run it, you know? Because look at that. We do have a 15-minute bullish SMT. Or not bullish SMT. We have a 15-minute fair value in here as well. Yeah. You know, there we go. Yes, that's what I need. Just keep going up. Yes, eh? Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Yes. Just keep swimming. So rigor block not sisty on yes entry, correct. I know. I see that. My NQ chart is completely glitched. I had a full weird candle that was forming. Let's get NQ open on the left here. You'll see that, like, it's so whack. It looks so funny. Nice hour 4 close. Yes, sir. Do we have any news data today? I probably should check that, eh? Getting close. 28 minutes, so we have crude oil. Wow, okay. So got some medium impact folder news for CL here, but nothing too much else. So you know why to go. Come on, yes. Let's just give me that 2R. We can call it a day. We could be happy campers. Holy shit, what is going on? That's 2R. What in tarnation is going on, guys? Anybody know what's going on? Does anybody know what's going on with market right now? Is there news data I'm missing? My 2R hit, but in a very unconventional manner that I'm not a fan of. Okay, well, 2R hit, but in a very unconventional manner. Does anybody know what this? Yeah, London closed liquidity, no news. What the fuck was that? Jesus Christ. Well, 2R hit, guys. Bang. I had my stop at break even. I'm surprised I didn't get stopped on that candlestick. That's 2R hit. What in tarnation? Top step. That was insane. Let's go. Yeah, honestly, I mean, I'm happy that it hit me out at my 2R, but I'm happy it hit me out at 2R, but at the same time, Jesus, that was aggressive. Dude, I got stopped. I mean, I hit my TP, but it hit me out at like 2.2R there. Like, honestly, I mean, it feels good because we made money on the trade, but at the same time, what in tarnation was that? Does anybody know what that candle was? Great trade. Thank you, Zinc. Appreciate it. Anybody know what that was? Trump has sneezed. Probably sneezed. Or Powell may have just taken a fat shit. Jesus Christ. Well, hey, there's 2R on the trade live on stream, guys. That's pretty sweet. We'll take that any day. That wick was quick. Yeah, I mean, the one thing I'm happy about is that wick didn't stop me out, right? Because that easily could have been a stop out wick too, based on how aggressive that was. If we had just pulled to my break even, it would have gone stop. So I got pretty lucky here. Like, I did get lucky on this. I got lucky on that wick not stopping me out with that London close. Hey, we'll take it though, eh? We will take that any day. That's a trade that still worked out in my favor. Called out, worked like a charm. If you guys haven't already, feel free to like the stream, folks. Like that stream, baby. Like that stream. We're 934 subs. We're approaching 1K subs, guys. This is exciting. This is exciting. This is super exciting. If you guys haven't, we have 12 likes on the stream. Let's see if we can get it to 25 right now, eh? 25. 25 on that, John. Congrats in advance, brother. I appreciate it, Origins. Feels so good when I enter the same trade as you. Hell yeah, Pedro. It's the learning curve, right? You're learning a bunch. You're teaching yourself to learn about markets and putting yourself into these situations to learn. So, dude, it's great to see that as well. I mean, dude, good work. Entering the same trade as me means you got similar bias as me, which was amazing. So I'm proud of you as well. Proud of you, boss man. Morning all, Raul, what is up? Good morning. Take that payout and put it into option selling. Yeah, not a bad idea at that point, right? Not a bad idea at that point. La 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 la. Hey, well, that was a good trade, guys. VIX expiration today, EU trade proposal, it seems. I got you. Well, guys, that played out. I don't know what to do. I feel lost. I don't know what to do. That was a good trade, though. We'll take that. 2R. Bang, bangity bang, baby. Mm-hmm. There we go. Well, yeah, guys, that's kind of... I mean, I'm one trade and done for the day today. Don't really feel obligated to trade more. I already hit my... I'm already almost hit my weekly PL goal, P&L goal, so I'm like pretty amped. I'm pretty amped about it, guys. Smart? Yeah, honestly, I'm just kind of contemplating. I'm just stuck. What do I do? What the frick do I do? What's your P&L goal? I mean, on multiple of the accounts, I was hoping to do 30 this week. And we've smashed 30K this week. Because I'm up 6.2K now. In 2 days. So that kind of smashed it. 3 days, actually. 3 days, it's 7.4. And that was pretty crazy. I mean, yeah, this has been a good week of trading for me, eh? Pretty good week of trading, if you ask me, guys. Deserver, bro. Hey, I appreciate tracks those. Thank you, boss. Thank you. Yeah, it's a good feeling for sure. You know, we kind of just smashed that out the park right off the bat this morning. Best prop for the beginner, would say Top Step or Apex. Apex is the cheapest. Top Step is the most, I don't know, I like the platform on Top Step is really nice. But Apex, if you're interested, Apex I'd say is a good starting point, especially if you don't have a lot of money to spend on accounts, because they host a lot of these 80% deals quite often. But yeah, Top Step is really good. Great to hear, Leo. Nice work. Thank you, DT. Appreciate that, boss. Yeah, it was a good morning. I mean, hey, we found that setup within literally the minute we started stream, capitalized on that opportunity, and it paid out, right? So I can't complain. It was a great start to the morning. A great start to the morning. Honestly, it's not too bad, DT, or maybe it's not too bad, but yeah, I'm kind of done trading for the day, so that's not too bad, right? This OB is not the worst. If we don't get a closure below it, I don't see why not. Do you share stats publicly? Depends on what stats. Let's assume that you missed this setup, so what will be your next step? I would honestly sit and wait. I would want to see London highs get swept and see if we form some reversal signature at a session high. So an example with ES would be, yeah, looking for some type of session sweep, paired in with the change in state of delivery and seeing the fractal in a reversal sense. But here it's like, when you look at these previous 4-hour candles, it looks like it was just a retracement into an expansion higher. And so now we're getting open, low, high close. On this, so I'd want to wait for some following hourly candles to form before even determining what it is that I wanted to trade. I should start, yeah. I mean, Penny, I've done a lot of P&L sharing and stuff, so pretty similar. Seems like we are reversing. It does seem like we are getting a pretty aggressive rejection off of London high. This is true. This is true. Indeed, it is. Seems like we reverse. And join late. Crypto Line, what's up? Welcome to the stream, boss. All good, all good. If you join late, boss, welcome to the stream regardless, my brother. Seems like we are reversing, but we are rejecting off of that as well now. Let's see what happens here. Okay, we anticipate shorting assumes closing insisty. Correct. Correct, baby, yeah. Let's get the stream to 25 likes. We have 47 of us and 17 likes on the stream. Let's focus on getting some more engagement on that, you know? Let's get a little more engagement on the stream, guys. We got some premium content, A+ trade. I would like to see 3 30-minute short setup now. Yeah, not a bad idea. Not a bad idea here. Yeah, I've got this weird gap on NASDAQ. I'm not too big of a fan. You know... Quadri, what is up? Good morning, boss. See what happens here with market, right? Just got to see what happens with market, eh? Good, caught the long on ES and NQ. Sweet, dude. Good work. Full port NQ longs on 1K subscribers. Jesus Christ, absolutely not. That sounds like a nightmare in the making, dude. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. You guys have some smart ideas. Origins, absolutely not. Imagine how funny that'd be. I just full port my entire net worth on NQ longs. I'm sure that would go by really great for me, right? I'm sure that would be a fantastic way for me to definitely feel... Getting some iffier PA now, but it is what it is. One more like we're at 25 on the stream, guys. See if we hit 25 full. Dude, that is crazy to me. Imagine full porting NQ longs on 1K subs. That'd be diabolical. Absolutely diabolical. Yeah, now I'm just kind of aimlessly just opening up the charts and closing the charts, guys. I mean, we took that A+ trade. You guys were all there for it. So at this point, it's kind of like, I think I might just call it end of the stream, folks. Great start to the morning, so I don't want to push my luck any further and just kind of take the win and move on, you know? I think it just sounds like a much better idea to do that, eh? Did you use any caffeine? No, I do not typically drink caffeine, especially because when I'm on the charts, it's kind of still early morning, so I'm not fully awake yet. Don't want to ruin my dopamine baseline. Yeah, I don't use caffeine though. I'm not really too big of a caffeine drinker. I used to be, but I'm kind of like a retired caffeine addict. I don't even know if I want to use the word retired. I just don't drink it as much. All right, guys, so we're going to have face cam stream soon, by the way. So y'all better stay tuned for that. That's going to be a fun day. That's going to be a fun thing. One and done. Yeah, I think I'm going to just call it one and done, guys. It was a pretty good stream, really good stream, good engagement, great trade on ES to start off the morning. Within 30 minutes, we were in and out that trade like nobody's business. So, quick recap once again. Swept below this previous hourly low. Swept below this hourly low. Created a change in state of delivery, 5-minute breaker block, entered on the closure of that 5-minute breaker with my stop below that breaker just to keep a short stop instead of using the base of this change in state of delivery, which is a 10.50 point stop. I just wanted it to be a nice 5.25. If I type Leo Invests at Asia guys coming, is that Leo Invests? On what? On YouTube, it should just be the same. It should be this one. If it's on Instagram, it's Leo Liquidity. Leo Liquidity on Instagram. But yeah, guys, beautiful trade. Played out. 2R. Took some scalps at, not some scalps, took some partials at London High. Worked out like a charm. But yeah, we'll see you guys all on the next stream. Thank you all once again for tuning in. Beautiful stream once again. If we haven't already, let's just hit a like on the stream. We're at 24. Be sweet to get 25, to just call it a nice 25 number. And yeah, honestly, really fun stream once again with all of you. I will catch you all in the very next stream. If you haven't already, follow the Instagram, Leo Liquidity. Yeah, we'll see you all next time. Ciao, ciao, everybody. About to long this close over previous day's 50. Nice sync. Great. Alrighty, guys. Y'all have a good one. See y'all on Friday.